Alrighty, today we're going to learn how to create our own workout based off of other classes' research. Okay, so what we're going to start out with is the day of the week that we're going to start with. So that's going to be Monday. What we're going to do is we're going to create a table that is 3 rows by 1 column. And what we're going to do is label these. So you're going to label this one as exercise. This one's going to be your sets and reps. And this is going to be your weight range. Alright, and what you're going to do after that is you're going to insert a row below. And you're going to start with the exercises that you're going to do. So, for example, we're going to the bench press. 4 sets of 8 reps with a weight range starting at 60% of your max to 85% of your max. And you will continue to do that for every exercise that you want to add. So, barbell row, for example, etc. You keep adding these until you get a full workout. After you guys complete this, go ahead and move on to Tuesday, and then complete